Say, do you know the difference between use and utilize? You use something for its intended purpose, like writing with a pen. When you utilize something, you use it for a purpose for which it's not intended, like picking your nose with a pen. Here's another fun thing. This one's from Google this time. You probably should subscribe first, though. Alright, here's that fun thing. The longer you spend on a website, the more likely you are to buy that product. Well, I guess it makes a lot of sense then to make sure people are spending as long as possible on your website. Don't you think? Well, now you're wondering, how do I do that? Simple, really. Add some interaction to it. I know that sounds simple enough, but what does that actually mean? What kind of interaction do you add? Well, here's a couple things you can add for interaction on your website. You can add a chat box so that if they want to talk to you directly. There are lots of apps out there that will help you do that. But maybe a slideshow of images is another good idea. Adding transitions when a user hovers over an image, or some element that maybe changes. Or how about a game themed to your industry? All these things add interaction to your website, make it more fun and interesting and easy to engage with.